Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, let's learn the concept of 10. A group of 10 objects make a bundle of 10. Like you are looking, the color pencils, blue is the different and the other 9 colors are different, equal to a bundle of 10. Now we will make the bundle of 10 9 pencil lying on the table and 1 pencil is in the hand of a cute girl. So the bundle is of 10. See you in the next lesson.